Hi friends, now I will show you how to make silk thread hoop earrings. Required material for these hoop earrings are hoop earrings. This is the silk thread jhumka base. Already I did this jhumka base, and if you want you can see in the description box. Stone ball, gold ball, pearls, florals, and one cutter. So by using all these materials you can make hoop earring like this. Now I will show you how to make this hoop earring. Take one hoop earring, so take this hoop earring and first keep one gold ball here. The edge should be straight so that it will go through that stone ball without bendings. And add this pearl laurels. You should count this, how many laurels you are giving here. You should at the other side also you should give that many laurels only. I'm using here 15 at one side. And take this gold ball, you can use big gold ball also. I'm using here small one. And take this silk thread jhumka. Already I showed in my previous video. If you want I will give in you description box. And take another gold ball and add this pearl laurels again 15. You can add more than 15 also. I am using here 15. And again here I added this stone ball, so here also I am adding this stone ball. After completion of this, if you want to make this small earring, you can cut this edge, or else directly you can use this. Keep some bending here. So here your hoop earring is ready. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.